Built on a muscular and fully boxed steel frame that's capable of handling extreme towing, the Nissan Armada is a traditionally rugged, yet modern vehicle. The standard roof rack with optional crossbars is made to haul everything from skis to kayaks, wherever you go. Armada's standard rear sonar system beeps when it senses an object up to 6 feet away, alleviating the stresses of parking in tight spaces. Premium comfort for 8. The Armada has an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, complete with a memory system that saves your preferences, and a 4-way adjustable front passenger seat provides comfort up front. The Bluetooth hands-free phone system activates via steering wheel-mounted controls. The AM/FM per Candia audio system pumps through 8 speakers and features a USB connection port to hook up your iPod. While an expansive 7-inch color screen mounted in the dashboard relays information about your comfort and convenience settings, maintenance requirements, air conditioning and radio settings. The 5.6L Endurance V8 is capable of churning out 317 horsepower and 385 pounds-ft of torque. Armada's 9,000-pound towing capacity makes pulling your full-size toys a breeze, meaning you never have to compromise on family outings. The 4-wheel independent suspension helps absorb bumps and offers quicker road response, allowing for a more comfortable ride. Keeping the family safe is just as important as the joy gained from driving a Nissan, and the Armada has a host of safety features. The Nissan Advanced Airbag System features dynamic airbag inflation depending on the severity of the crash, while the Nissan Latch System lets you secure latch-compatible child restraints in the back seat without having to use seat belts or a locking clip.